Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Vietnamese Lesson 1. How to introduce yourself in Vietnamese. Picture this. You're walking through the streets of Hanoi. Scooters pass by. Street food sizzles on the side of the road. Someone looks at you, smiles, and says something in Vietnamese. You feel it, that moment, the chance to connect, to respond, to belong. But instead, you hesitate because you don't know what to say. That ends today. Because in the next 15 minutes, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Vietnamese. Clearly, naturally, and confidently. And by the end, you won't just understand it. You'll be able to say it. Let's begin. Before anything else, you need to say hello. In Vietnamese, greetings depend on context, but a simple and safe one is Xin Chào, pronounced Xin Chào. Say it slowly. Xin Chào. Again, Xin Chào. This works in most situations. Friendly, polite, simple. Take a moment, say it out loud. Xin Chào. Good. Now, let's introduce yourself. In Vietnamese, you say, Tôi là, pronounced, Tôi là. This means, I am. For example, Tôi là Alex. Let's slow it down. Tôi là. Again. Tôi là. Now add your name. Tôi là, your name. Try it. Take your time. Tôi là, your name. Nice. You're already introducing yourself in Vietnamese. Now, let's continue the conversation. You ask, Bạn tên là gì? Pronounced Bạn tên là gì? This means, what is your name? Break it down. Bạn tên là gì? Again, Bạn tên là gì? Try it. Bạn tên là gì? Good. Now you can start a real conversation. After names are exchanged, you want to be polite. You say, Rat vui được gặp bạn. Pronounced Zut vui được gặp bạn. This means nice to meet you. Let's slow it down. Rất vui được gặp bạn. Again. Rất vui được gặp bạn. Take your time. Say it piece by piece. Rất vui được gặp bạn ở now together. Rất vui được gặp bạn. Let's put everything together. Listen first. Xin chào. Tôi là Alex. Bạn tên là gì? Rất vui được gặp bạn. Now slower. Xin chào. Tôi là Alex. Bạn tên là gì? Rất vui được gặp bạn. Now your turn. Say it out loud. Take your time. Feel the rhythm. In real conversations, people often speak more casually. Instead of tôi là, you might hear mình là pronounced mình là. This sounds softer, more friendly. Example. Mình là Alex. Try it. Mình là your name. Nice. Now you sound more natural. Let's expand your introduction. To say where you're from, tôi đến từ, pronounced tôi đến từ. This means I come from. Tôi đến từ my. Tôi đến từ Vietnam. Try it. Tôi đến từ your country. Again, tôi đến từ your country. Now combined, tôi là Alex. Tôi đến từ Canada. Smooth. Let's practice everything slowly. Repeat after me. Xin chào. Tôi là. Your name. Tôi đến từ. You're a country. Bạn tên là gì? Rất vui được gặp bạn. Take a breath. Again. Smoother this time. Xin chào. Tôi là. Your name. Tôi đến từ. Your country. Bạn tên là gì? Rất vui được gặp bạn. Good. You're getting comfortable now. Imagine this moment again. You're in Vietnam. Someone smiles at you. They say, Xin chào. And this time, you don't freeze. Answer, Xin chào. Tôi là. Your name? They respond. You ask. Bạn tên là gì? They tell you their name. You smile and say, Rất vui được gặp bạn. And just like that, you've connected. You're part of the moment. Let's review everything. Xin chào. Hello. Tôi là. I am. Bạn tên là gì? What is your name? Rất vui được gặp bạn. Nice to meet you. Tôi đến từ. I come from. Say them slowly. Repeat them. Let them sink in. You don't need to speak perfectly. You just need to begin. And today, you did. In the next lesson, we'll build on this. But for now, practice. Say it out loud. Use it whenever you can. Because the next time someone speaks to you in Vietnamese, you won't hesitate, you'll respond, and that changes everything. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.